Viewers, in this video I am going to tell you a very important trick by using which how I made dollars using MS Paint. So listen carefully and watch till the end. The first thing you have to do is you need a Paint application like this, which is installed on Microsoft Windows. On Windows 10 by default it's not available, you have to download it from the Windows Store. The next thing you have to do is to open the Paint application. And then you have to get an image of a dollar, and then you have to resize it. Now this is $1. If you copy paste it, you will get multiple dollars. Now by using the MS Paint, you have learned how to make dollars. If you have liked the videos, subscribe and drop the comment.